Hey boys and girls, it's Mrs. Tianson. I thought that maybe you might like to read this book. It's kind of a little bit of a guessing book. I wish I could cover up some of the pages so you couldn't see the picture until after you made your guess, but we'll try it this way. So I thought first I'll just go through the book and let you read it on your own, and then at the end I'll read it. If you want to hear it from me, you can just listen at the end. If I'm going too fast, you can just pause it until you finish the page, but I think it's a pretty cute book, all right? It's called What Am I? It's by Eleanor Janeway and illustrated by Nisi Twinham, okay? On the title page, I see a little critter right there. I see a crab. Here we go. All right, what did you think of this book? It was cute, right? Were all your predictions correct? Oh, good. All right. Start at the beginning. You can listen to me read it if you'd like. All right. What Am I? By Eleanor Janeway, illustrated by Nancy Twinham. I am in a tree. I swing from tree to tree. What am I? Did you guess a monkey? I am in the grass. I can hide in the grass. What am I? I am in the dirt. My home is under the ground. What am I? I am in the sea. I can swim fast. What am I? I am in a cave. I sleep here all day. What am I? I am in the sand. I come out of the sea. What am I? I am in the woods. I am eating the green leaves. What am I? I am a monkey, a snake, an ant, a shark, a bat, a crab, a deer. Were all of your guesses correct? I hope so. All right, I hope you like this book. Keep reading.